OBBOTO. Alright, imagine this. You walk into your room and boom, a tiny glowing robot lights up with a smiley face that actually matches your vibe. That's OBBOTO. No cameras, no weird tracking, just next-level motion sensing and AI reading the room like a pixel-powered mood ring. Want to wake up without rage? OBBOTO's sunrise alarm slowly lights up your room like a soft dawn, nudging you out of sleep way gentler than that screechy phone alarm. Total morning win. And when it's lights out, OBBOTO becomes your Zen master. Think soft glows, ocean waves, maybe a crackling campfire sound. Yeah, instant chill. But it doesn't end there. You can design your own light show. Pixel art, custom animations, even little messages, all from your phone. And yes, you can drop an emoji bomb to a friend's OBBOTO. So wholesome. From weather updates to music visualizers that turn your desk into a mini rave, OBBOTO is like if your nightlight and your playlist had a genius baby. Movengine AirCore OWH. Okay, forget everything you know about headphones, because Movengine's AirCore OWH is flipping the script. These aren't earbuds. They're not cans. They're a whole new category. AirCore brings you hi-fi, room-like sound in a bold open-ear design. No pressure, no isolation, just pure audio freedom. We're talking a 50mm bass driver for that cinematic boom, plus a dedicated high-frequency unit that soars to 40 kHz. That's dog whistle territory, folks. And it doesn't stop at sound. These things are smart. You get dual listening modes, sealed when you need focus, open when you want to stay aware. Oh, and there's intelligent noise detection that recommends the best setting on the fly. It's like noise canceling with a brain. Comfort? Covered. It's just 309 grams with cooling Leica fabric and an ice touch finish. You could wear these through a heat wave and still feel fresh. So whether you're producing beats, biking the city, or just chilling, AirCore OWH adapts to your world. Studio sound, open air freedom, zero compromise. MicroCam X1. Alright, ready to feel like a scientist and a filmmaker with just one pocket-sized camera? Meet the MicroCam X1, your all-in-one 4K gadget that goes from epic landscapes to insect eyelashes in a single twist. This little beast packs a 400 by microscope, 3cm macro lens, and a 12-megapixel 4K camera, all inside a 160-gram shockproof body. No extra gear, no lens swapping, just twist and capture. You can zoom from 24mm to 0.01mm, revealing stuff your eyeballs didn't even know existed. Think the texture of a coin, the fuzz on a leaf, or the wings of a fly, all in crystal clear 4K. Want to shoot time lapses of a flower blooming? Slow motion of an ant sprinting? Done. Its flexible mount sticks to trees, desks, or bike handlebars. Go wild. And that 3.5-inch IPS screen? Bright, sharp, and perfect for real-time exploring. Plus, you can hook it up to a bigger display for group whoa moments. Whether you're a creator, a teacher, or just super curious, MicroCam X1 is your window into the hidden world. Titan 2. The Titan 2 is not just a throwback, it's a bold comeback for the physical keyboard, reimagined for the 5G era. You get the tactile typing experience you've been missing, but now with gestures, swipes, shortcuts, and full backlighting for night use. Yep, your thumbs just got an upgrade. Powered by Android 15, the Titan 2 runs smooth and secure with global 5G support, dual SIMs, and every connectivity option you could ask for. Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, dual-band GPS, and even an IR port. It's rocking a 4.5-inch square display, a slick secondary screen on the back, and a beefy 5050 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charging to keep you going all day. The cameras? 50-megapixel main, 32-megapixel selfie, and 8-megapixel telephoto, perfect for pro-level snaps on the move. With its flat-edge design, programmable red side buttons, and bonus TPU case included, this thing feels built, not just made. Titan 2 is for the doers, the typers, the multitaskers. If you want power, precision, and personality in your phone, this is it. Ring mouse. Forget clicky bricks and cramped desks. Ring Mouse puts full control literally at your fingertips. It's a Bluetooth touchpad you wear like a ring, so you can scroll, swipe, snap, and zoom without lifting more than a finger. Skip TikToks from the couch. Control slides mid-presentation. Scroll through recipes while your hands are deep in dough. Even flip through comics on the train. No zombie grip required. It works on iOS, Android, macOS, Windows, even your grandma's smart TV. Waterproof? Yep. IP67 certified. Battery? 10 hours of life plus 5-minute quick charge equals 1 hour of power. Nice. And the real flex? Hands-free camera control. Tap to shoot, zoom with a press. Nail group shots or yoga videos without dashing to your phone. Available in 12 ring sizes with titanium or stainless steel finishes, it's built to be worn all day. No slipping, no squeezing. Just smooth, invisible control. Splay. Ever wish your projector could fit in your backpack and still flex a 24-inch screen? Boom! Meet Splay. This thing folds up smaller than a hardback book and unfolds into a full-blown HD display or an 80-inch short-throw projector. Yep, all from one device. Built with military-grade durability and a patented nanomaterial screen, Splay is wrinkle-resistant, smudge-proof, and bright enough to hold its own anywhere. From boardrooms to bonfires. Setup? Stupid simple. Unfold. Plug in? Present. No software, no drama. Just connect via HDMI or USB-C, and you're ready to roll with sharp 1080p visuals, 760 nits of brightness, and auto keystone correction in projector mode. And check this. It's got a built-in battery that runs up to 4 hours, or a full 12 with a power bank. So yeah, no outlets required. Whether you're pitching, teaching, gaming, or just showing off on the go, Splay lets you bring a big screen anywhere without carrying a giant screen. Flash Pro Ultra. Meet the Flash Pro Ultra, the world's smallest 275-watt power bank. Yeah, smallest, as in fits in your pocket small. But don't let the size fool you, this thing's a straight-up power monster. You're getting 3 USB-C ports, 160-watt USB-A, a 15-watt MagSafe wireless charger, and a built-in pad for your Apple or Samsung watch. That's 6 devices at once, from your MacBook Pro to your AirPods. Basically, if it charges, Flash Pro Ultra's got it covered. And it's not just powerful, it's smart. Dual OLED screens show you everything. Power output, temps, time remaining. No more guessing if your laptop's actually charging. The numbers? 140-watt USB-C, 100-watt, 60-watt, plus a 25,000 milliamp hour battery. That's 4 full iPhone charges, or 1.5x for a MacBook Air. Recharge it to 80% in just 35 minutes. And yes, it does pass through charging, so you can power your stuff while it recharges. All that in just 590 grams. Flash Pro Ultra isn't just compact, it's a full-on charging station in your pocket. Kangaroo Porter. This thing is like a utility cart on superhero mode. The Kangaroo Porter isn't just for hauling, it's a carry cart, a storage box, and a tabletop, all rolled into one super practical package. You get a 70-liter bag that rides at waist height. Yep, no more crouching like you're on a treasure hunt every time you need something. Need your gear? Just pop the fully opening lid, grab what you want, and you're back in action. But it doesn't end there. The detachable wooden tabletop straps on and turns the cart into your mobile workstation, picnic table, camera setup, camping cook station, you name it. And when you're done, it folds flat, handles and all. Toss it in the back of your car without playing Tetris. It's built for stress-free packing, easy access, and all-day carrying power. Whether you're hiking, camping, tailgating, or just moving gear around, the Kangaroo Porter makes it feel kinda too easy. CYANLAMP M12R. This pocket-sized beast packs a serious punch. 500 lumens of spotlight, 300 lumens of floodlight, and 7 different light sources to handle literally anything. From RGB signaling to reading mode, it's got 10 lighting modes so you're never in the dark, literally or figuratively. The best part? You don't even need to press a button. Just wave your hand and boom, infrared sensor turns it on or off. It's like magic for night work, camping, or warehouse runs. Clip it, stick it, or wear it. Thanks to the magnetic tail and strong clip, this thing goes anywhere. Waterproof, rechargeable, and smaller than a dollar bill, the M12R is the everyday light you'll actually use because it's built for everything. Strong V160 and T160. These aren't your average locks. They're smart, automatic, and built to last. The V160 for bikes and T160 for scooters lock in seconds with zero hassle. Just roll up, press the retractable stop against any rack or pole, and boom, you're locked. No apps, no combos, no fiddling. Just one key to unlock and you're back on the move. They're permanently mounted, reinforced with anti-pick protection, and designed with tamper-proof rivets for rock-solid security. Plus, they're quiet, strong, and U-lock tough. The V160 blends into your bike. The T160 hugs your scooter stem. Both come with stylish cases, black for bikes, red for scooters, and optional colors if you're feeling bold. Push, lock, go. That's strong.